Hey, I'm Chrissy Ball, your North Dallas Realtor, and today I am standing in front of the gorgeous Coventry model located in the beautiful community of Star Trails, which is centrally located in Prosper, Texas, just north of Dallas. Now you will notice that this community is got the most amazing location, and if you want to know more about Star Trails and its community, I will be making more videos so that you can really take a deep dive and get to know this community more intimately. If you are wanting assistance in your home buying process, I would love to help you. Please find my information below. And if you like more of this content when it comes to building new homes or design or all of the above, please like, subscribe, and then hit that bell icon and you'll be notified every single time I put up a video. All right, so without making you wait any longer, here's the model home of Coventry. This is the hardened model built by Coventry, plan number 3601. It's 1 story with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a 3-car garage. It is approximately 3,600 square feet of living space and is currently listed for $795,000. Now, Coventry specializes in building custom homes when many builders in this market are building specs. Enjoy. so what was your favorite part of this home? I love so many aspects of this house, in particular, all of the natural light, that it's spread out across the lot. And I'm standing in the flex room right now where you can make this room whatever you would like. And there's a double-sided hearth over here, which means you've got a fireplace on this side and on the other side in the kitchen. So there's so many ways, different ways that you can use this home to really make it your own and really make it comfortable in this beautiful community of Star Trails. So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this home tour. And again, if you're needing any help in your home buying process, please contact me with the information below. And until you join me on the next tour, be safe, be well, and I cannot wait to see you again.